this tutorial, we will be learning about the project structure. When you are developing a 3ds Max project, you are working with a lot of files. Unlike with simple programs like Photoshop and others, you just have one file which have all the required information about the project in it. But in complex 3D programs like 3ds Max, there are a lot of files with which you are working on a project. So it comes very handy when you can manage a project. To do that, come over this button which says the project folder, click on it, and it will ask you for browsing the folder. Take it wherever you want to and click OK. So in this way, you'll be able to collect all the project files at one place. It gives you portability, and then you'll be able to handle your project efficiently and with much ease. Thank you. Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be navigating our viewports. Now, once you create something like these primitive objects, it comes very important to navigate the viewports. Different 3D programs like 3ds Max have two different buffers. One is for creation of objects and animation, and second is for this viewports. So let's get started. You'll find three very important buttons at the right bottom corner of your window. First is this hand, which we know as pan view. Select it, and then you'll be actually able to move it so that you can move and view it from different points if you want to. You just have to click and drag. That is how easy you can move it in plane. You can do it with your front, top, and left viewport as well. If you want to undo that, click on the name of the viewport and undo view change. I'll do that with everyone. The second important is the zoom region. You can actually zoom in and zoom out of any region you want. You just have to go to the region, click once, and just you have to drag, and you'll see zoom in and zoom out. Other is the zoom. You can just simply click and zoom in and zoom out throughout, and this is true as with any viewport. Again, to take it back, go here and undo view zoom. Go to this perspective, undo view zoom, and you'll be back where you were. One another thing is orbit sub-object. Click over here and you'll see when you click and move your cursor and drag it, you'll be actually able to view your creation from different angles. So this is how it looks like from other views, which is very helpful in many of the creations. Again, to undo that, go here and undo view rotate. I have to do it couple of times. There is a shortcut for that, which is Shift Z. So you'll just press, it will get me back where we were. So this is how we can navigate our creation in 3ds Max. Thank you.